We've got our cakes! Whoa! Sprinkles? It's raining sprinkles! Oh no! It's raining caramel! It's gotten everywhere! I'm drenched! No! Cocoa powder? There's so much of it! Why did this happen to us? We're so messy! Wow! It's cake decorating time! This is what I have to decorate my cake with? A whole bunch of hot dogs? These look pretty boring. I'm not very excited. I guess I'll just give it a try, though. Actually, it's pretty good! I really enjoyed that hot dog. Okay, time to get decorating my cake. I'm just gonna put them around my cake like this. Just a few more, and then I'm done. Alright, there we go. It's not amazing, but I don't think it's too bad. I guess it's time to see what I get. Nice! No hot dogs for me. Instead, I've got a whole bowl of candy. M&Ms are way better for decorating. Time for me to get started on my cake. Okay, first one done. And now for the rest. Ta-da! Ugh, I wish I got candy, but I've got a great idea. Just gotta make some cuts on this hot dog with these scissors. Done! This is looking great! This deserves a spot right in the middle of the cake. Hey, that turned out pretty. Okay, we have a button this time. I'll go first. Oh, a banana! That's better than a lot of my other stuff. Oh my gosh! Something's happening! It's just so beautiful! Okay, your turn. Here I go. Oh! Looks like I got some cotton candy. Let me get this open and pull it out. I'll just tuck some around in this area. It's looking good. And I'm gonna just give this a little taste. That does look pretty good. Oh my! Ha ha! Look at me! I'm wild! Wow, you really are. I'm like a mad scientist now. Let me drop some of these in here. This smells okay. I'll add some of it too. Maybe some of this red-colored liquid too. Maybe a little bit more. Time to open this scarier-looking bottle. Hey! You turned my banana red! Let me just give this a little sniff and taste. Oh! I'm back to normal! That's better for sure. Alright, my banana. My now red banana. Maybe it's okay like this? It smells weird. Guess I'll just add it to my cake. I don't know. At least the color is kinda pretty. Open these ones together. Huh. Just plain cakes, I guess. Whoa! Suddenly there's a spinner? Spicy, sweet, or sour. What now? Oh, a button. Do you think we should press it? Guess so. Let me try. There goes the spinner! Sour? But now what? Oh! A lemon! It just fell into my hand! Looks like you're supposed to put that on your cake. Okay. Here I go with the lemon juice. You should press the button now, too. You got sour, too! Ow! What the heck? Where's my lemon? Oh! You got pickles instead! You'll have a pickle cake! There. Pickles on my cake. Press the button again. Spicy? That can't be good. Oh, hot peppers. Thanks, I guess. Challenges are weird sometimes. There. I added my peppers. Your turn with the button. Sweet! I got sweet! What the heck? Something's in my mouth. There's another one, too. 3 of them! I guess I gotta add them to my cake. There's my eyeball pickle cake. Let's press the button together. Whoa! The spinner changed completely! Popping sugar and wasabi paste! Well, guess we better add them. I have a lot of doubts about these cakes. Better add my paste. Okay, I guess it's time. I'll just dig in. I'm kinda scared. Sweet, then sour. And not bad! Well, maybe mine will be good too! Okay, here I go! Spicy! Spicy! I gotta go! Wow! She can run really fast. So good! Button time again! Oh, caramel sauce! This is gonna be great! Why isn't this coming out of the jar? You need something to help you out. Try this. Nice! Thanks so much! Alright, let's give this a try. Wow, it's really pulling up the caramel. Time to add a drizzle to the top of this cake. Perfect! The syringe was great! Okay, here I go again. Of course I get mustard! I don't even like mustard. It smells! But I still want my cake to look good. There we go. A little dollop. No way. That doesn't count. Come here. I'll show you how to do it. I'll just give it a spin and add a spiral of mustard. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Good thing I was here to help. But now there's mustard over all of it! Man, my cake does not look scrumptious. Ugh, it smells even worse. Any chance you want to trade cakes? Hey, what's that? There's another button now. It has a question mark on it. I'm gonna try it. Whoa! What the heck is going on? Huh. I'm outside. Yes! I don't have to look at my cake anymore! What the heck? Where am I? Why am I dressed like this? Why are you here? Where's my friend? Well, welcome to the cake decorating challenge, I guess. Here I go. Huh. I got a little squirt gun. I wonder what's in it. Ooh! It's yellow frosting! I'll just add a dollop to each marshmallow. Hey, do you want to trade cakes? Ugh, fine. Here, let me put some of this on your cake. Whoa! It totally transformed it! I'm gonna give this whipped cream on the top a try. Hey, do you mind if I give it a try too? Well, fine then. Have it your way. Aw, you turned it back into the fishy ramen seaweed cake. What? And now I have to add pickles too? How did I even get stuck here? Let me get this open and take out a pickle. Yuck! I am not a pickle fan. They smell gross. Guess I'll just line them up on the cake like this. Ahem! Excuse me. Have you seen this outlaw? Look closer. You too. You see this? They're wanted. Oh no! There's the pickle he's looking for! I've gotta get rid of it! Arrgh! I saw that! This pickle keeps getting away! But not this time! You're coming with me! You too, miss! Here's your punishment. Time to eat your cakes. That's right. It's cake time. Well, okay. Let's do this. I love cake! So much frosting and chocolate syrup! Pickles and seaweed do not go on a cake. There's so much cake to eat, though. What's going on over there now? Excellent.